Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to activate your Bank of China mobile app. First and foremost, make sure that you have this application downloaded. You can easily get in your Play Store. Once done, launch it. And what you have to do is you will see a page like this. If you already have a credential, select login. If you do not have a credential and if you would like to register, select register on your top right. Now, if you would like to register for mobile banking, this is what you should do. Select apply now. It says debit card holder. There are three steps, so this is step one of three. Now here you have to select this identification type. Select either your passport, driver license, or proof of age card. Once done, type in your BOC debit card number, then BOC debit card PIN, and then CAPTCHA code. You have to solve this. Check this box, select next. Second, you have to create yourself a username at this step 2 of 3. And lastly, create yourself a password at the last step. Once you follow all that, you will be able to register for Bank of China mobile app. And thank you for watching.